Good morning, everyone. It's 4:30 a.m. I made it. I was able to wake up. Yes. So today is gonna be a great day. Yes. Shh, everyone is sleeping. See you later. Hey there, getting ready to go. Not ready to go, I'm just getting ready for the day. I just took a shower, but look who's here with me. Snowy. He's afraid of storms. Remember last night it was stormy night. So he barks and goes crazy. So he came upstairs yesterday night to sleep with me. Right, Tutu? He's afraid. Poor doggy. You afraid? Everything's gonna be alright, okay? You wanna wait with me? Are you hungry? Yeah? He's always hungry like me. Yeah. Yeah, right. So, when there's nothing to make lunch with, there's a plan B all the time. Tuna. Yes. Tuna is really good for you, really healthy. It just takes time to get it ready and prepare it the way you want it, but it's worth it. Yes. I love tuna. Can you see me? I don't think you can see me. You see me now? It's 5:49. I'm on my way to work right now. But it's really foggy, really foggy. Yeah. Actually, yesterday was like a stormy night, like I told you, and today is supposed to be the same. Like raining and everything, even hail is supposed to come down, I don't know. But this is the perfect season. I like this season, the stormy season, I like it. You know that I like storms? Yeah. Like thunderstorms. Not like snowstorms, like thunderstorms. I like it. Yeah. Sometimes I like to sleep when there's thunderstorms. It relaxes me. I know. I'm weird for that, but I like it. Hate this. When you pull your cables organized and later on they'll like tangled. I hate this. Hey, what's up? I'm off. 4:32. I feel kind of tired, but good at the same time. I'm going home now. It's really hot outside. It's like 72, 74. Woo! Hey, what up? So I'm just getting ready to go to church around. I took a short nap. Yeah. Yeah, today I was so sleepy. I don't know why. So, how was your day today? Today's been a really stormy day. Like I told you before, I love stormy days. Yeah. It relaxes me. Sometimes it feels nice to sleep when it's a stormy day. Ooh, I can see myself through the mirror. It's cool. Like that. That is crazy! Hey, what up? So just coming out from church right now. Temperature is like really nice temperature. It's not so hot, not so cold. Kind of like it. But later on summer, I'm gonna be like, it's so hot. We're so bipolar here in America. Sometimes we like cold, sometimes we like hot. But right now, I'm fine with hot temperatures. Yeah. Okay, I'm home. I kind of feel like not going to sleep. It's like I need to go sleep. So I wake up tomorrow at 4:30 to go work at 6. I don't know if I should just go regular time or only 1 hour earlier. I don't know. What should I do? Should I do 6 hours and a half? Or should I do only 6 hours overtime? I don't know. It's like I feel lazy to wake up earlier. I don't know. I don't want to wake up too early. But Snowy, what you say? Should I wake up early or no? He's like, don't wake up early because you wake me up. Yeah, he's the only one that wakes up with me. He's my friend. Hey there, I'm using the selfie stick. Can you hear me? Wow, it's too windy. So I'm out with Snowy right now. Can you see me well? Or it's too windy? Whoa. Super mega windy. How much Snowy? Hurry up. Oh my god. This selfie stick is really cool. Really cool. You can stop it whenever I want. So yeah. So how you guys doing? Tomorrow is Friday. TGIF. Yes, thanks God it's Friday. Actually right now I'm just gonna go inside after going inside with Snowy to edit the video and just upload the video. Like I told you I was gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it. Can you hear me? It's too windy. Ah. Oh. Listen. Wow, listen to the wind. That's crazy. A tree. Oh, tree. Whoa. Oh my god. That's crazy. It's so windy. I like it. I like it. It makes me excited. I like storms. Vamos a ver, hurry up. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Wait, 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 wait. Yeah, this selfie stick is really cool. So remember the video I told you about I was gonna give like a little tour of my bedroom. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera right now because I'm just editing the video. But remember the video I was telling you about giving a tour of my bedroom, like what my bedroom has, the meaning of each stuff, things that I have on my walls. I don't know if I should add it to my video blogs of every single day, or I should just make a separate video. What do you think I should do? Separate video or in the vlogs? Just let me know. And also the other idea that I have all the videos, I'm gonna record myself or record myself how I edit my videos, or the way that I edit my videos. Not record myself, but just show the process that I do. I know it's maybe a simple process, but it's an idea. Just let me know. Okay, my friends, the video is up already. Yep, like I told you I was gonna put it up. So now I need to go sleep. I'm not sleepy, but I need to go sleep. So, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Yes, share. So, see you tomorrow, and you see me tomorrow as well. Stu signs out.